drum roll please, the North American Car of the Year for 2012 is the Hyundai Elantra.
This one's really a surprise. The Focus is an amazing car. The Passat is incredible. We're just honored to have the respect and acknowledgement from the 50 Cody journalists. Also, thanks to the 815 or so Hyundai Motor America dealers who are doing such a great job representing this car to our buyers. Thank you, everybody.
Winner of the North American Truck of the Year, if I can get it out of this envelope. Oh, the drama. And adding to an incredibly long list of awards already, the Land Rover Range Rover Evoque.
Well, thank you, Tony, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to give a special thank you to, very much indeed actually, to all the journalists from across North America for this tremendous honour against these other extremely worthy competitors. All of us at Land Rover, from our headquarters in New Jersey to our global home in the UK, are deeply appreciative and humbled by this honour in this, the most important car market in the world. We've been a finalist a few times before, but we've never won this award, and I can tell you we are absolutely delighted by it.
This car is where we compete. This is where we live. This is the heart of the Hyundai brand. So it means an awful lot to us from that point of view. It's also validation for a lot of the Americans who haven't gotten the memo yet that Hyundai is a different company than maybe their memory from 1986 through 1990, some of the dark years for the company. So yeah, it's just an incredible feeling.
Now you have some stiff.
We have it right here.
Mr. Park, right here, please. Up. Thank you.
It must be hard to coordinate both of us looking at the same spot at the same time. I don't know how you do that.
We just get lucky eventually.
You guys are just so enjoyable.
1, 2, 3. How's this, you guys?
Keep smiling.
We'll be smiling all day.
All right.
Jen?
Thank you.
What does this win?
Portion went off 6:15. That was ridiculous.
Wow.
In many ways, we're David in a world of Goliaths. So, you know, when we've got a vehicle that is an outstanding class vehicle like this, you know, we've really got to shout out loud and make people understand the vehicle, make people drive the vehicle, and increase the sales momentum. It's fantastic already, but we can always do more.
In your opinion, what makes it stand out?
It's got everything. It's got world-class luxury. It's got traditional all-wheel drive capability that you expect from a Land Rover, and it's a highly stylish vehicle. It's so close to the original vehicle, the LRX concept of 4 years ago. I think that's what makes it so appealing.
Excuse me, sir. I'd like to help you out. It's ordinary.